What's the meaning of antelope? Antelope. 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 Antelope.
An antelope is a type of mammal found mainly in Africa and parts of Asia, known for its slender legs, long neck, and curved horns. These herbivores are grazers, feeding on grasses and other low plants. Although often associated with savannas and grasslands, some species of antelope also inhabit forests or rocky terrain. Antelopes are known for their speed and agility, able to run at high speeds and jump great distances to avoid predators. They are an important part of the ecosystem and have cultural significance in many African societies.